Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to learn an interesting question, tricky sort a cost. So basically we would be given an array, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7. Okay, suppose this was our array and what we need to do here is we need to sort it. So how can we sort? And we need to find the minimum cost to sort this array. So basically how can we sort this array? So see, for sorting this array, if suppose I need to change the position of 6, so if I remove 6 I can add it either here or I can add it either here. Okay, any of the two locations I can add my 6. Okay, so this is the condition given, either you can remove element from the list and add it in the first or at the last. So this is how we need to sort. So how can we do this question? Okay, so I'm telling you the approach. If you want, you can pause the video and solve it on your own, else listen to my approach. Okay, so what will I do here is, if I find the longest common subsequence, so if I go to 3, then I can go to 4, 5, that's it. If I go to 1, 1, 2, that's it, 3 is behind me. 6, 7, that's it. 8, 9. Okay, in this case I am getting only this 3, 4, 5. This is my longest common subsequence. So what should I do? My longest common subsequence is 3, 4, 5. So let me just remove all these elements. 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 7. So when I come to 1, first I'll go to 3. So before 3, what all elements should be there? 2 and 1. So I'll remove 2, add here. Remove 1, add here. Go to, then at the end, at 5. What should be the elements? So it should be 6 after 5. Remove 6, add here. Remove 7, add here. Remove 8, add here. Remove 9, add here. So this should be done. Okay. So now my array is sorted, and how many steps I used? I swapped 2, then 1, then 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 6 steps. So guys, if you can see here is my longest common subsequence length was 3. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to tell you. In this question, it is given that in my array, all the elements range from 1 to 9. Either it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the digits are present there. No digit is missing. Okay. So in my array, if it is sorry, not 1 to 9, 1 to n. Here my array size is 9. So in my array, all the elements from 1 to n will be there. My size was 9 here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All of them are present. Okay, so what I'll do here is, I know all my elements should be there, must be there. So that's why I am doing this approach. So how will I find my longest common subsequence? First, let's see that. And what should be my answer? Should it be the longest common subsequence? No. If there are n number of elements and I got m number of, if there are n elements and I get longest common subsequence as max, say max is my longest common subsequence length. So what will I do here is, the remaining elements must be swapped. So remaining elements must be swapped, and that many steps would be taken for swapping. So this should be my cost. So this should be my minimum cost, and this will be my answer. So I'll return n minus max. So how will I find max? See, I'll take a hash map. I'll come to my first element. Let me rewrite this because we have already changed it now. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7. I'll come to 3. I'll check 2 is not there, so I'll add 1. I'll come to 1, so I'll add 1 here. I'll come to 2. I'll check if 1 is here. Yes, it is here. So I'll take its count, its value, and add 1 to 1's value and put it in 2. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. I'll come to 4. I'll check if 3 is there. Yes, it is there. So I'll take this 1, add 1 to 8, so 4. I'll put 2 against 4. I'll come to 6, I'll check for 5. No, it is not there, so I'll add 1. I'll come to 5, check for 4. Yes, it has value 2, so I'll put 3 against 5. I'll come to 8, I'll check 7. No, it is not there. I'll come to 9, I'll check it. Yes, it is there. So I'll add 1 to its value. So it will be 2. Okay. I'll come to 7, check for it. Yes, it is there. And 1 is as its value. So I'll add 1 to 8's value. Sorry, to 6 value. I'll check for 6. Yes, it is there. 1 is there. So I'll add 7 and put 2 against it because 6 had value 1. So now I'll traverse each and every value 3, 1, 2, 4, every key 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9, 4. Take my max as 0. Max would be 0. Then I'll update my max every time. Okay, here I am updating my max every time. And whenever, how am I updating? I'm checking if the current value is greater than max or not. And by doing this, I'll find this. Okay, so now my max would be equal to 3. It will come here, it will update. It will come here, it won't update because max is 1 and my current value is also 1. It will come here, it will update to 2. It will come to 4, it will update to, it won't update because it was already 2. It will come to 6, it won't update. It will come to 5. Yes, 3 is greater than 2, my max would be 3. Then it will come to 8. See, initially max was 0. Here max became 1. Here nothing happened, changed. Here nothing happened, changed. When it comes to 8, so is 1 greater than 3? No, nothing happened. Then 9, is 2 greater than 3? No. Then 7, is 2 greater than 3? No. So this would be my final answer. So I'll return 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6, and my answer was 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, so what we are going to do is find the longest subsequence length and return the array length minus longest subsequence length. So let's code this. So first create a hash map of type integer and integer. Name it map equals new hash map. Okay, so now I have my hash map. Cool. Now what will I do? I'll traverse in my array. So I'll use for each loop. Then what will I do? I'll check if map dot contains key. What should be my key? It should be the element minus 1. If I have a previous element minus 1. So guys, if I already have a previous element, then what should I do? I'll take its value as integer n equals to map dot get element minus 1. So I'll get its value and put it in my current element. Map dot put element comma n plus 1. Add 1 to my previous value. Okay, now what else? I'll simply, what should I do? If previous element is not there, then this should be the starting element of my new subsequence. Okay, so in else, I'll simply put 1 against it. It would be the first value. Okay, now I'll take an integer max. Okay, so again for each loop, you can use for each loop like in array.length from 0 to array.length, 1 to array.length equal to array.length, or in every element, or in map, because all my keys are what? They are values from 1 to array.length. Array.length contains what? Values 1 to array.length. Map.keys are also 1 to array.length, so you can use any. So I'm using element for each loop. I'll use for every element of my array because according to me that makes more sense. So I'll update my max as math dot max comma. I'll check if my max is greater or my current value is greater. So app dot get element, whichever is greater would be my new max, and I'll return array dot length minus. This would do the work. Let's run the code. Okay, line 9 map dot contain. Okay, spelling error. This must run. Yeah, accepted. Let's submit it. So guys, I hope you liked the video, you understood the code. So please like, share and comment and subscribe to Pepcoding. Thanks for watching.